Today we're going to learn how to conjugate the French verb avoir, to have. J'ai, I have. J'ai une maison, I have a house. J'ai une voiture, I have a car. Tu as, you have. Tu as une maison, you have a house. Tu as une voiture, you have a car. Il a, he has. Il a un chien, he has a dog. Elle a, she has. Elle a un chien, she has a dog. Nous avons, we have. Nous avons un chien, we have a dog. Vous avez, you have, formal you or plural you. Vous avez un chat. We would say this to an older person. Don't forget to subscribe.